So I hope the relationship between the mathematics and statistics is pretty clear. So now we are gonna see what is a data science and the difference between the analyst and data scientist. So data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. But how is that different from what statisticians or analysts have been doing for years? So the answer lies in the difference between explaining and predicting. Just note this point. So let me put it in. So this is a statistician or analysts and okay, just put me data science. So the lies difference lies in the answer lies in the difference between explaining and predicting, explaining the data and predicting the data. That's the main difference. However, let's see. Okay, so as you can see from the as you can see from the screen now, so you can see the different flows. So it begins with the business administration, then uh, then you will go for the exploratory data analysis. So these two steps, you will have the data analyst or the analyst or statistician also will do the same. But after the exploratory data analysis, you have to build a machine learning and advanced algorithms, and after that we will be doing data product engineering. So a data analyst or statistician will will working on the business administration level of problem, and then once the problem is done, he will get into the exploratory data analysis. There ends his work. Whereas a data scientist from EDA, exploratory data analysis, then machine learning and advanced algorithms, and after that data product engineering. So he will be doing all. So what is data product engineering? If you are not clear, I'm going to explain, but most of you people might know about uh, machine learning and algorithm and EDA. So that's why I'll explain. But before that, let me sum up everything about this flowchart that I put on your screen. As you can see from the image that is on your screen, a data analyst usually explains what is going on by processing history of the data. On the other hand, a data scientist not only does the exploratory analysis to discover insights from it, but also uses various advanced machine learning algorithms to identify the occurrence of a particular event in the future. So a data scientist will look at the data from many angles, and sometimes angles not known earlier. So that's where I said the difference lies in this. The answer lies in this. The difference is one explains, other one predicts. One looks into the past. One looks into the past as well as looks at the present, as well as he has to look forward. So the one who does all three is a data scientist. The one who takes the data and looks back and looks into the past or historical data is the one is our analyst, or if a statistician takes the job, is called a statistician. Okay, so Of course, a data scientist will look at the data from many angles, sometimes angles not known earlier. Okay, so this is what the major difference between this. So I promised you that I will explain the data product engineering. So let me explain that. So data product engineering refers to the process of, let me write it down so that it will be much clear for you. I just want to make things very simple for you. Okay, so data product engineering. So data product engineering refers to the process of designing, building, testing, deploying, and finally maintaining data driven products, or you can say applications. So this is what a complete data product engineering, software engineering, similarly data product engineering again. So the software engineering is designing, building, testing, deploying, and maintaining the software applications. When it comes to the data product engineering, a process of designing, building, testing, deploying, and maintaining data driven products. So it involves applying engineering principles and techniques to create products that leverage data to solve business problems, to provide value to customers, or maybe value to our company. So data product engineering involves a combination of data analytics and software engineering and machine learning techniques to develop data products such as a recommendation engine. So that's one product. Let me give you some examples here. So at the end, what would be the output of this? As in software engineering, the output would be producing a software applications. It could be a WhatsApp, it could be Facebook or LinkedIn, Twitter, or a bank account, ICICI bank application app, or SBI application. So whatever it may be. So similarly, what's the output? What's the end goal of the data product engineering? So when you bring up, it involves a combination of data analytics, software engineering, and machine learning techniques to develop data products. The output would be data products. Data products such as example recommendation engine, recommendation engines, and predictive models, then detection fraud detection systems, and any other data driven applications. So it requires expertise in data processing, data storage, data modeling, data visualization, and software development all together. So required in expertise required in data processing. That's the first level. Once the data processing is done, now you have to store the data. So that's a data storage. And then we'll go for the data modeling. And then, so anyway, the first two stages will be done by the data engineers. So data processing and data storage, then data exploration, then data modeling, then after data modeling we'll go for the data visualization, and finally software development should also be integrated with that. So without that, you can't take that application to the end user. So this is what the uh, data product engineering. I hope you got it. So now let me sum it up. The difference, the major difference, I just want to sum it up, everything together. So as per my understanding, an analyst and a data scientist are both professionals who work with data, but they have different roles and responsibilities. What an analyst is typically responsible for analyzing data to identify patterns, trends, and insights that can be used to inform business decisions. They often work with the structured data such as sales data or customer data and use tools such as spreadsheets, SQL, and data visualization software to analyze and present their findings to the higher authority. So a data scientist on the other hand, is responsible for developing and implementing models and algorithms to extract insights and knowledge from data. They work with both structured and unstructured data such as text data or sensor data or graph data or spatial data or time series data. It could be anything. Then they use tools such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to develop models and algorithms. In general, a data scientist has a more technical role than an analyst and may have more experience in computer science, statistics, and programming. So, data scientists also tend to work with larger and more complex data sets than analysts and may be involved in developing data infrastructure and systems for data collection and analysis. So, that being said, there is often a overlap between the roles of an analyst and a data scientist, and the specific responsibilities of these roles can vary depending on the organization and industry. But by and large, you got the crux of the difference between them.